if suppose there is a question may asked in board, what is the difference between the bacteria of the syphilis and gonorrhea? Here spirochete bacteria, that is spiral shaped, well, the Neisseria gonorrhea is a cocci rounded shaped bacteria. This Treponema pallidum causes syphilis and Neisseria gonorrhea causes gonorrhea. Both these bacteria causes the infection whenever there is a sexual contact, and they causes the infection to the generally reproductive tract, reproductive organs, reproductive tract, reproductive tubes. Okay, so this is also known as reproductive tract infection. Incubation period. What is the meaning of incubation period? That is after the entry of the bacteria till up to the first symptom develop. The period, see here, what is the incubation period? The just exposure of the bacteria, exposure, entry and infection carried out. Multiplication of bacteria happens inside the body. Whenever the bacteria enters, it get multiplied. That is the exposure of the bacteria till up to the development of the first symptom. There are many symptoms till the development of first symptom. That period is known as incubation period. In syphilis, 3 to 4 weeks. All these points are essential for writing in board. Okay, these are the difference points, difference between, if suppose there is a question, write down the difference between syphilis and gonorrhea. These are the difference points. Causative agent, then incubation period. 3 to 4 weeks incubation period for the syphilis. Weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. 1 week we know the 7 days. Here is a 3 to 4 weeks. Now in case of gonorrhea, here days. In male 2 to 14 days. In male the incubation period is 2 to 14 days, while in female 7 to 21 days. This is the difference here. In both cases incubation period is different. In male, if suppose infection occurs of this bacteria, the incubation period up to the first symptom, that is 2 to 14 days occurs, and in female the first symptom develops after 7 or 21 days. That is incubation period. Now symptoms, these are also included in the difference point. Symptoms of the syphilis. First of all, see here the diagrams. Symptoms. First lesion, we called in Marathi जखम. Okay, जखमा. Okay, जखम चिघळणे, itching होणं, chancres or sores. See here, chancres or sores. Lesions, we called in English also synonyms, that is lesions. There are 3 stages. This disease occurs in 3 stages: primary stage, second stage and third stage. In second stage, what happens? Hair loss. There is a start of the hair loss. Swollen lymph nodes. We know the general lymph nodes are present in armpits, okay, at the neck region, groin region. These lymph nodes are the part of the circulatory system. We will study in circulation part, respiration and circulation topic. Lymph nodes, lymphatic circulation. Lymph nodes, and which is the most essential part in our body. Lymph nodes produces the lymphocytes, which play an important role in the immunity, giving the resistance power to our body to kill the germs. Okay, lymph nodes get swollen. Sore throat, infection through the throat region, infection through the throat region. First stage sore or a lesion, that is known as the chancre. In second stage, what happens? There is a progressive development, infection occurs more and more, that is second stage. Body rashes occurs all over the body, skin rashes. In third stage, infection goes deep and deep to the internal organs like heart, brain. These are the major organs which get infected by these bacteria. Now come to the point, symptoms. Chancre, what is the chancre? It is the most important word for the exam, for the MCQ, for the CET, for the NEET exam. What is the chancre? There is a development of the chancre. First symptom in syphilis. I am talking about the syphilis. Chancre, this is caused because of the bacteria. Which bacteria? Treponema pallidum, a spiral bacterium. Chancre, primary lesion at the site of infection, external genitalia. Now the question arises, actual where the infection takes place? No doubt reproductive tract. Generally mucous membrane. This bacteria causes the infection to the mucous membrane of the genital organs. Sometimes the oral part, mouth part. Mucous membrane is the soft. Inside there is a soft skin, that is nothing but the mucous membrane of the mouth, mucous membrane of the throat region, mucous membrane of the mouth part. These are the oral regions. genital regions, that is the reproductive regions, and rectal region also, because in case of female, rectum and the reproductive tract opening are close together, are near to each other. So infection may occur due to rectum to the genital, or genital infection may causes the infection to the rectum also. So mucous membrane of the rectal region, genital region, oral region, they causes these lesions, infection to these organs at the site of infection. External genitalia, generally mostly they causes the infection to the mucous membrane of the external genital organs. In male, which external genital organs we studied in previous lectures, that is penis, which is a copulatory organ, okay, urethra, scrotum, these are the external genital, scrotum and penis are the external genital organs. In case of female, we studied which external genital organs, vulva part, vestibule part, okay, bulbourethral glands you already studied, which is also present outside. So all these are the external genital organs in case of female and male, and these get infected mostly because they are external. So first they get infected. If the bacterial multiplication is faster and faster, if there is no treatment, then internal organs also get infected. Skin rashes in second stage, skin rashes, when the infection is severe, the rashes appears on the skin and mild fever also occurs. Inflamed joints, that is arthritis, joint pain, inflammation joints, loss of hairs, and paralysis. We know the paralysis, okay, it is concerned with the nervous system, paralysis, because the infection goes deep and deep. Degenerative changes due to more infection, in third stages what happens, degenerative changes occurs in heart and brain, they also get infected. Heart function may get stopped, or brain disorders may develop, neuronal disorders may get developed, okay, muscular movement may stops the movement. All these are concerned with the degenerative. Maybe sometimes respiration also gets stopped and leads to the death if there is no treatment, proper treatment is given in proper time. Then such if suppose this infection is more severe, in such persons there is changes in the degenerative changes in the heart and brain, which may causes the death if no proper treatment is given. Now gonorrhea. Which bacteria is responsible for this gonorrhea? That is Neisseria gonorrhea, which is a cocci bacteria, rounded shaped bacteria. Now sign and symptoms in both male and female. See here, female generally causes infection to the reproductive tract, which contains the paired ovaries, paired oviduct or fallopian tubes, uterus, and the vagina portion. See here, this is the reproductive tract portion. Here is the reproductive tract infection in case of female, and in case of male, which are the reproductive organs, general external genital organs. Here, penis, here, scrotum part, and inside the scrotum what is present? Testicles or the testes are present. Swelling of the testes takes place. Now what are the symptoms found in case of male and female? These are the symptoms of the gonorrhea. See here, vaginal discharge, okay, thick vaginal discharge, continuous discharge from the vagina due to the infection caused by the Neisseria gonorrhea bacterium. Here, inflamed fallopian tube, swelling of the fallopian tube, ovary also get inflamed, inflammation of the uterus, okay, swelling of the uterus. See here, here is the swelling of the uterine wall. Ovary, uterus, and fallopian tubes get inflamed, get infected with the Neisseria gonorrhea bacteria. In girls, 10 to 14 years girls, the bacterial infection may occur in the vulva portion and vagina, vulvovaginitis, vaginal opening found in the vestibule portion, vulva portion, okay, vulvovaginitis infection occurs in the girls. These are the Neisseria gonorrhea bacteria which causes infection to the vulva portion. Vulva is the external genital organ. Now in child, newborn baby, okay, if the mother is get infected, then the newborn baby get infected with this bacteria and it causes the eye infection, that is gonococcal ophthalmia. See here, this image of the newborn baby. Throat infection. Bacterial infection also found in throat, tonsillitis, see here, okay, and it causes the throat infection that due to the bacterial infection, Neisseria, gonorrhea. All these are symptoms concerned with the gonorrhea. Next, that is actual which site get infected. I already told in previous slides that is infection site generally genital organs, external genital organs, reproductive tract. So this sexually transmitted disease is also known as the reproductive tract infection. Here another parts also get infected. See here, infection site, generally the mucous membrane of the genital organs, rectal, because the rectum part is near to the genital organ. In case of female, oral regions, mouth region, throat. Already we in previous slide saw the image of the throat region, okay, genital, rectal and oral regions. And gonorrhea, the site of this bacterial infection found in urinogenital tract, that is the excretory system, ureters, we discharge the urine through the urethral opening, okay, that is urinogenital tract, rectum, throat and additional, that is the eye. We already see the image of the newborn baby. The eye get infected with the Neisseria gonorrhea bacterial. Gonorrhea found in child, that is eye infection. Treatment generally treated with the antibiotics, which are the tablets. See here, penicillin in case of syphilis, and in case of gonorrhea, cefixime. See here, these are the tablets which are used as a treatment which cures these sexually transmitted diseases. But we always know that prevention is better than treatment. So which are the preventive measures? We already discussed about this in the previous slide, that is symptoms of in men, symptoms in female, women, then treatment and then preventive measures. Okay, here again see here, which are generally there are the three preventive measures, major three preventive. Sexual health education. There is a necessity to educate the people about the sexual health, sex hygiene, sexual practice, sexual health services, and safe and supportive environments. Safe and supportive environments. Safe sex. Avoid the multi-partner sexual contact. Avoid the sexual contact with the unknown person, and always maintain the sex hygiene. All these are the preventive measures which can prevent from the sexually transmitted diseases. That's why we can stop the sexually transmitted diseases. Okay. Thank you.